Hey everyone! So today we're doing an 18 by 18 dirty pour with layers of color. I'm going to try to use 15 colors plus white and black, so that'll give us 17 colors. I am going to move this canvas out of the way and we're going to fill cups. So what I want to do is 2 cups of each blend, and that will give me time to do some layering. I like that depth in a dirty pour, and we're going to be using different shades. So our first 2 cups will be the blues, which will be our warm colors. And for this pour, it's going to take some time for me to layer these cups, but just bear with me. You might learn something along the way. Hopefully that I can teach you a little something on this pour. So I'm going to start with white on these cups. I'm not going to spray the cups first because I don't want any additional silicone. There's plenty of silicone in the colors. So just a little bit of white. We're going to follow that with the Folk Art Sapphire Blue. And then I'm going to go with, let's go with the Lucas Indigo. It's a very dark blue, dries like a blue-black, which is really pretty. And then I'll follow that with Soho Manganese Blue. Whoops, this is a color Ellen was using last night. It said it had an issue, and I just found it. There we go. The cap was plugged. Now I have blue paint all over my hands. Alright. So then I'm going to touch it up with some interference blue. This is from Golden. This will give us some beautiful highlights when you tip the painting different ways and dimensions. And then I have some PBO Iridescent Blue-Black. This dries this color, if you can see the sheen. It's really pretty. It's not a pretty color going in. It looks gray, but it dries so pretty. And I think we're going to do one more layer. So I want to have enough paint to have room to spare, you know, to tilt and do some making the composition work for me anyways. So this Lucas will be our contrast for sure. There it goes again. I should just take the cap off until I fix that, huh? I'll do that. Some of these paints have been sitting for a while, so they need to be touched up. Yeah. Oops, I caught that one. I'll be right back. And I have returned. I needed to clean that bottle out and fill that. So I went ahead and put that manganese in, and I put some gloves on because my hands are now all blue. I look like a Smurf. So I'm going to go ahead and add these. Of course, this is our PBO Iridescent Blue-Black, and then our Golden. And I think I want to just top that off with a little bit of indigo. Okay, a lot of breath there a little bit. So I'm going to move these 2 aside. Okay, so now for our hot cup. Actually, that was our cool cup. This is our hot cup. I don't know why I said warm. Just give these a little shake here. So we're going to be using Soho Crimson, Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, Liquitex Cad Red Light Hue, Lucas Gold Bronze, and Lucas Indian Yellow. And I am going to just do a touch of white in the bottom because I don't want to make too much pink. But I'm going to go this way. So we'll start with the Indian Yellow. gold bronze. So if you watched us on New Year's Eve, we had done a pour very similar to this, where we used 3 different ranges of composition and tied them all into one painting. And of course that painting sold that night before it was even dry. So I'm not going to put any more white. I am going to go back in and do another layer here. Had to shake it a little bit. It's running out. I'm going to give this a little extra of this color because I want that to definitely show up. And it's not really an orange, it has the red hue to it, so. Okay, and we'll finish with the red on this one. This is actually crimson. Nice deep dark red. And I'm going to set those aside. Let's move these over here. So our last 2 cups are going to be in the green family. We'll start my cup with white. We'll follow that with Lucas Chrome Green. This is one of Brian's favorite colors that we use on the channel. Right, Brian? Let's see. I think I'm going to go with the Folk Art Malachite next. This is a beautiful metallic. Then I'll go ahead and add our Silver Spoon from the Prosh Posse paint line. Follow that with Lucas Mint. Lucas has a lot of beautiful colors, and it's a more expensive paint brand, but it's definitely worth the money. And this is the Folk Art Peridot. I'm going to go right back at it here. I just hope I have enough contrast in this cup. And Malachite is playing that part, so we'll see. So I have about 5 ounces of paint in each cup. Alright, I'm going to set these over here because those are going to be my first cups done. Bring our big old canvas back. Get you where you can see. I have new lights on the side, so I'm not sure how much glare we're going to get, but I can always shut them off. Just a tiny swirl, just to marry up them colors a little bit. I like to check my pad to see how they look. So this is our base. We want the screen to show up, but we don't want it to be prominent. I'm going to start this one over here. We'll end it there. Loving the peridot as always, but we will cover most of this up, so. Okay, so our next cup will be blue. These will be our cool colors. So I am going to come down through that. going to do a red cup, our warm colors. I love to play with color. I love dimension. I just think it just really pops a painting when you have more layers of color. Instead of putting them all in one cup, you can kind of put them where you want them. So I'll go back with our blue. And just play around with your edges because you're going to pour it all off anyway. Okay, and then our last cup. Now I know I have enough paint on there now to tilt, but I want to add color where I think it needs to go. And of course we want to come down through this green. Probably through this. And I think that's good. I don't think it needs anything else. So I'll just pour this along the edge to help everything along. Okay, so let me give that a little torch. Just popping some air bubbles. And here comes the fun part. Actually, it's called making a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and just shimmy some of this around to get it to connect. I can already tell I wanted to get rid of some of that red there. I'm going to move my canvas around quite a bit. Getting my paint together so it kind of moves together. Definitely have a lot of red. So I'm going to take a little bit off of this corner down here. Bring my paint back up towards the middle. And I'm going to head for this corner here. I don't want to lose my green. Okay, I think we're good. Alright, I got one more corner I gotta get over here. The runoff is gorgeous. I'll be pulling some of that for skins. So I'm going to rock that paint to get it all come at one time. So when I hit that corner, I can pull back. Just like that. So I'm very happy that the green stayed. I was really worried about losing that green. So I think I like it this way. Let me go ahead and torch. A little bit of pull here. So just very slowly tilt. And that will rest by itself. This white lacing through here is pretty. Webbing. So I have a lot going on with that gold bronze up there. I did pull quite a few new cells through here, little baby ones that are adorable. I did get some more coming through here and in through here. But let me lift it up and you can see it closer. There's a lot of new little baby ones that will hopefully grow a little bit before it sets up. Oops. I hate when a camera does that. I'm sorry. There's lots of pretty stuff. This green here is just gorgeous. But that's going to be it for that one, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell and you'll get notifications when I upload a new video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Share, share, share. I always tell everybody, share the videos. Bring more folks in. Let's have some paint pouring parties. This is all about having fun, being artistic, letting loose. It's the most relaxing art that you can do is pouring paint. Join us every Monday night live at 9 p.m. right here on our channel. That's Eastern Time, USA. We do about 4 or 5 pours on Mondays, and we have a great time. Join our group on Facebook, the Barrage Posse with Christina Welch. We have our paints in there. If you're interested in getting our paints, all the information is in that group. I also sell them on Etsy. All those links are below in the description, below the video. Just click on see more and you'll see all those links. Shop with us on Amazon for your paint pouring supplies. A lot of the paints that we use are on Amazon. I do try to add them to the shop as I find them. The PBO especially, it's very hard to find. And also I am a brand ambassador for Jerry's Artorama, so if you see a paint that I'm using, a Lucas or a Soho, reach out to me, I'll help you find it. Our St. Jude's auction is coming up March 8th at 8 p.m. 75% of our proceeds are going to St. Jude's from the Barrage Posse channel. And it's just a charity that I believe in and I support 100% as much as I can. And I definitely want to take my art to another level and share it with them for research and cures. So with that being said, I hope you can join us that night. Get yourself a beautiful piece of art and know that the money's going to a good cause. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you all, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.